Okay, so the first book in this list is this book called Beginner's Guide to Digital Painting in Photoshop. Now, this book is all about character design. It mainly focuses on that, and it also covers anatomy, costume design, and also how to depict emotions while designing characters. Now, as you can see in the title of the book, it says Photoshop, but you can use all of these principles discussed in this book and use in any other software that you use or that you like. So, for example, if you use Procreate and you don't use Photoshop as much, you can still use those principles and apply them on Procreate. Okay, so this book is available on Amazon and it is for $30, and they do not provide Kindle version for now, so you'll have to order paperback version. And for all my Indian viewers, they also provide this book in India as well, and this is for, as you can see, 3,000 rupees. I know it's a little bit too expensive, but these books are made beautifully. The papers of these books are amazing, the pages I should say, and you can go ahead and do your own little research and check out all the reviews that they have. But as you can see, the ratings are quite good, so yeah. Okay, so the next one on this list is this book called Bold Visions, the Digital Painting Bible. Now, this book is also a beginner's guide, but this book mainly focuses on core art techniques such as color, lighting, composition, research, materials, and stuff like that. Now, concepts in this book are well explained with the help of illustrations. Now, this book is for people who are into fantasy art. Now, this book is available on Amazon and they do not provide Kindle version yet, but they do have paperback version, as you can see here. And for my Indian viewers, they also provide this book in India as well, as you can see the price of it. Okay, so the next one on this list is this book called Beginner's Guide to Digital Painting in Procreate. Now, this book was published this year and I don't remember which month, but again, this book is also a beginner's guide, and this book has many step-by-step tutorials to help all the beginners out there. And this book also contains many quick tips and techniques that you can use to create amazing artwork in Procreate. Now, this book also contains some inspiring artwork that you can use as a reference or inspiration to create something amazing. Now again, this book is available on Amazon and they provide you Kindle version as well, as you can see on the screen. And again, they also provide this book in India as well, Kindle and paperback version, both of these versions. Okay, so the next one on this list is this book called Sketching from Imagination. Now, in this book, there are a lot of artists that showcase their sketching process with a complete description and insights into their techniques that they use on a regular basis. Now, the artists in this book are both digital artists and traditional artists as well. Now again, this book is available on Amazon and they only provide paperback version, and they also provide this book in India as well. And yeah, they do not provide Kindle version for now. And I will link all the links down in the description so that you can go ahead and check them out on your own. Okay, so the last one on this list is this book called Color and Light. Now, this is a guide for the realist painter. So if you are someone who loves realistic artwork, this book is for you. Now, this book talks all about color and lighting and how different lighting affects color in different ways and stuff like that. And this book is not strictly about digital painting because I think color and lighting is something that you should know no matter what type of artist you are, digital artist or traditional artist, it really doesn't matter. Again, this book is available on Amazon and they do not provide Kindle version yet. so you can purchase their paperback version from Amazon, and they also provide this book in India as well. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And also let me know down in the comment section below which book you really liked and which book you are gonna be purchasing. And I will see you guys the next time.